Hey guys, just a corner here and welcome back to another great video. As of posting this video, I have posted a short which did pretty well, and there will also be another short about the Toyota Chaser which will be there, and also there are many other videos in the pipeline. But long story short, today I am here with the Hot Wheels Honda Collector Pack for 2025 Hot Wheels Premium. Now, as you can see, I have not done many Hot Wheels Premium unboxings on here. Well, there's a reason. I like my premiums way too much, and uh, before I can make a video on them, I usually uncart them in a state of excitement. But this is a bit different. This is a collector's pack, so I thought it'd be nice to do an unboxing here. And I know it's like pretty late since I got to this collector pack, but I'm going to unbox what I like. I'm not going to follow whatever trend or whatever new thing comes out lately. So, as you can see, this is a pretty nice collector pack. Many people do not like Hondas. They are a very niche brand, especially for die-cast cars, collectibles. But as you can see, we have the writing there, the Sakura Sprinter, which is this truck over here, big H Honda there. Then we have the 1999 Honda Civic Type R, the EK9 Type R over here. Hot Wheels calls it the EK9 in some places, like, I don't know. I think the old Boulevard was EK9, I'm not sure, but there was a Honda 2-pack also with the yellow color, like, we have watched Initial D. It's literally like the Toro Racing School Type R. What's the Type R though? I'm pretty sure it was a Type R. Okay, and we have the Honda 2003 NSX-R, which is a Honda NSX Type R. Pretty cool. I do not have a Honda NSX Type R. I had a regular mainline Honda NSX Hot Wheels, but I think the Type R looks much better. And I do not like the oversized wheels on that one in every case, and it's a bit old, so it's a bit chipped and all. But still, I like it a lot. And finally, we have the Honda S2000 20th anniversary or anniversaire, whatever you want to call it. This is a completely new casting for Hot Wheels. It was released for 2025, and I think now is the time that we start to unbox it. But just before that, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and all everything. And let's just have a rest of the look at the box, okay? This is the right part of the box. This is one side of the box. It's like red on white Honda, and the opposite side of the box is exactly opposite. It's white, red on white Honda. It's white on red Honda. Now we look at the back. You can see the 2020 S2000 20th anniversary, the 2003 Honda NSX-R or Type R. It's the same thing. And fun fact, only 140 of these were real life examples were produced. It's one of the rarest. And recently, a Honda NSX-R was sold at auction for $1 million, which is crazy. Okay. Then we have the Civic Type R 1999. I think it's one of, in my opinion, I think the EK9 Type R is one of the better, nearly the best generations of Type R. Finally, the Sakura Sprinter. I like the livery on this truck, nothing special to say, like it came in many sets, but this is my first Sakura Sprinter over here. I usually do not collect doubles, but let's see what happens with the premiums. Okay, so let's get around. Oh, right. By the way, I got this under MRP, maximum retail price, which is 3,000 here in India. In the US, it's like $30. It's not selling there as well, from what I heard. No disrespect, but these sets were always overpriced. You can look at the bottom over here. Wait, let me just adjust it. Yes, you can see the bottom of this is, it's an international package. And also, fun fact, these things are not, as they're not selling really well. Like, this thing was sealed in that imported box, so they didn't even bother taking it out of the box. And I got this like for 2,300, as I said. under MRP. So, which is pretty cool. I like getting things under MRP. You can find it on Amazon if you like this collector pack. Okay, so without much further ado, let's get to the unboxing. So let's unbox this baby, shall we? Again, I'm going to be using my trusty knife, which is trusty only lately. But hey, that cut smoothly like butter. Is there anything else on here? Wait, let me check. Let me put this away actually. Okay, so no, I think, is there anything else? No, there's nothing else. Okay, so that came out pretty well. Now we have the diorama, and this is my first diorama. Okay, and I think it looks very good. It looks pretty, like, very awesome. So you can see the race truck in the back, the garage themes there. You couldn't see that well in the box. And I think there's a small picture of a Honda FL5. Is that an FL5? I don't know. On one side, and on the other side again you have got the classic garage. Okay, so the truck, three cars. The red and white interiors also look absolutely fabulous, and with the racetrack in the background. So that is one part of it. And now we got to cut all of this over here. Let me just get my trusty knife again. As you can see, I'm going to be cutting this up right now, which is easier said than done. These things are packaged really heavily. So what we are going to do is we are just gonna, I really hope I don't scratch anything on here. Okay, the top got out well. Now for the bottom, I also hope I really do not damage the axles. Yeah, some of you might cringe at how this is going. I'll put this over here, and let me continue. You know what? Actually, let me just unbox the rest of the thing, and I'll get back to you with the rest of the review, okay? Yeah, so I had to do some off-camera unboxing, and I'm very sorry I couldn't show it to you guys, but it would have honestly damaged the cars if I didn't do it off camera. So starting from last to first, we have the Sakura Sprinter. Cool truck. It's a very Japanese-esque truck, you know, like those anime plot character arc changing trucks. You have space inside for one car, where we'll fit another car. Very satisfying click, like the decals on the side, the Honda decals. And finally we have the roll test. So rolls pretty well, rolls nicely for a premium. Some of these Hot Wheels premiums don't roll very absolutely the best, but it rolls without much resistance, which is pretty good. I mean, I want them to roll, but I don't want them to roll off my desk. So anyways, Sakura Sprinter. Then we have the EK9 Civic Type R 1999. So pretty cool. Again, you can see the detailing over there. Unfortunately, no license plate for this one. I always like those Hot Wheels license plates. They're pretty cool to see. Let me focus on here. As you can see, red interior looks good. Red and white is a very good color for Hondas. Very classy color, actually, I would like to say. Okay, so now time for the roll test. Iron rolls pretty well. Wheels do not show any much bumpiness or ridges. It doesn't roll down my desk, which is pretty good. Then we have the Honda NSX Type R, as you can see over here. Now you would say, why would I leave that, Honda S2000 for last? Well, it's a new casting, and I think it looks pretty good, and also the Honda NSXR is like also a very cool car. And you know, no reason actually, no reason. I just want to save that car for last since it's a new casting. Okay, now you can't see the interior. You can't see the interior at all. You can't see it very well. You cannot see it at all. I actually hope they did put an interior in there. Yeah, I think you can see little bits of an interior there. I actually really do hope that they should have blocked it out that much. You know, the normal Honda NSX, the mainline one does have an interior, but anyways, okay. You can see the rear fascia, Honda H decals, which the mainline does as well. The mainline has pop-up headlights. They don't have. I've never seen a 2003 one, and I'm actually not too happy with this type of headlight design. I think they could have done it better, but it's an okay design. I like it. I mean, it's a Honda NSXR. I like a Honda NSXR. Okay, so then roll test rolls pretty well as I showed you. Wee, wee. Okay, I turned into a little kid for some time, which is why I buy these actually. Okay, and finally we have the star of this set, the Honda S2K 20th anniversary. And actually, fun fact: this is a concept car. It's not an actual car. Well, the Honda NSX, the Honda S2000 is, but again, red on white interior always looks good. And this Honda S2000 casting looks very good, very good. Yeah, so back to what I was saying. It is actually supposed to be a concept car because it was a concept car. It was released in 2020 as a concept car, and after 2020 you could also buy parts, official Honda parts, mind you, with warranty. um, let's just focus on there, to modernize your Honda S2000, which was again a very cool, I mean very cool, a very interesting idea. It was a very Honda thing to do actually. Okay, now if I can just zoom in on the interior a little bit. uh, Not much frills, as expected, as in normal NSXR. And this is, what is this? Is this left hand drive, right hand drive? If I point my hand this side, it's supposed to be right hand. It's left hand on the opposite. I'll say it's right hand drive, okay? Also, Civic Type R, is it left or right hand drive? Let's see. These cars are the same type drive? Yes, and it is right hand drive. So both of these cars are right hand drive. This thing was never sold in the US, so it's right hand drive. Okay, so that was the unboxing video, guys. I hope you liked it. I'll put up some more information on these cars in a moment. Okay, for now, just enjoy the look of these cars. Okay, the Sakura Sprinter. Not many people will like how I put these cars up here. Just, I hope none of these fall. The light is really reflecting of the white, isn't it? And that's the video. And